The content of this video is related to automation, specifically with the type of condition device state. Device state triggers an action based on the value of a data stream. Here you can see that the left window is the starting code of this video, and the right window is the schematic of this video. For the light sensor module, you can see this actual image. This is the module I used for this video. This module normally, when no light is detected, the state of pin D0 is high, and when light is detected, it is low. First, we define the macros. The first macro, its name is green LED pin, and its value of 18. The second macro, its name is light sensor pin. I will edit its value later, but for now you can give it the value of 16. Next are the macros for the virtual pins. Green LED V pin is V0 and light sensor V pin is V1. Initialize a variable to store the current state of the green LED with the initial value of false. Here, we assign the value received from Blynk to it. Then update the status for the pin on the board. In this setup function, we configure the green LED pin as output. Above, the macro named light sensor pin, it has to have a value of 16, not 18. We configure the light sensor pin as input. Set the state for the green LED pin. Here, I write a function containing the command to send the value of the light sensor to Blynk. Assign the value read from the sensor to the variable. The content of the function has 3 tasks in total. The first task is to read the value from the light sensor. The second task is to initialize a variable with the initial value being the value read from the sensor. And the third task is to send the value of the sensor to Blynk. Here, we should name the function to describe the 2 tasks of reading and sending the value of the light sensor. In the program, we need to call the function repeatedly. So here we initialize an object of blink timer to schedule to call the function repeatedly. Here we set the interval to 1 second. Now you upload the code to the board. Before we proceed to create automation, we need to go to the Datastream section of the template. Here are two data streams which are used for the switch widget and label widget in the dashboard interface of the device. About the information related to automation type, you can see it in this table. In the automation type information field, we keep the switch selection. Below, we turn on the action switch. In this information field, this time we choose sensor. Below, we turn on the condition switch. Condition: allow users to use this data stream as an automation condition. Save. Save and apply. Now we will proceed to create automation. You click on the Automations tab. You choose this. Click on Settings. You name it. I choose this cover. In the limit period information field, I choose 1 second. In this when section, the first two information fields, you can understand what type of information they receive, right? The information field below needs to pass in information of the type of datastream value change. In our demo case, if the sensor detects light, the LED will turn off, but if the sensor does not detect light, the LED will turn on. The two options at the end of the list, that is, has changed and is any, you can understand these two options, right? You can know the difference between these two options through the following information. The is any option detects an update to the value for the data stream. It can be the same as prior or changed. The has changed option checks that the new data stream value has changed from the prior value. For the demo case of this video, the has changed option is better than is any, right? After the condition is satisfied, the automation will perform the value transfer from the Datastream light sensor V pin to the Datastream green LED V pin. That means when the sensor detects light, the value of the Datastream light sensor V pin will be 0. This value 0 will be transferred to the Datastream green LED V pin. With this value 0, the switch widget on the dashboard will be off and the green LED on the hardware side will also be off. Finally, we click on Save. Now I will move the light closer to the sensor. Then I move the light away from the sensor.